Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. 25 cool gadgets for men. Digital luggage scale. This gadget can be a handy item for the man or woman for that matter in your life that travels a lot. With new luggage restriction and the decrease allowable weight. The Terrace Jetsetter Digital Luggage Scale W/110 pounds capacity can keep you in check when you fly. The clean design with the digital display and brush metal finish is a gadget that would appeal to most men. This lightweight and durable product will help to avoid expensive surprises when flying. Tesla Coil Rechargeable Windproof Lighter. Have you noticed the old Bic lighter don't last as long as they used to, and let's not even mention the off-brands? The Oikuri electric lighter Tesla Windproof USB rechargeable dual-arc plasma lighter with LED display power may be the answer. Who wouldn't want their own Tesla coil? This slick-looking lighter is just that. No need to buy a lighter every few weeks with this lighter. You merely plug this light into any USB charging port, and you get about 100 to 200 lights. Will light in high winds and wet conditions. Toilet Paper Blaster Skid Shot. You may live to regret giving this to the man in your life, but don't forget you can use the gun to retaliate in the future or buy two for a fair game. The Toilet Paper Blast converts toilet paper into clean spitball wads of toilet paper that can be launched up to 30 feet. A roll of toilet paper will give you about 350 shoots. Dango Dapper EDC Wallet. Any survivalist or prepper would like the Dango Tactical EDC wallet is designed to hold up to 12 cards. Made with genuine leather and reinforced with mil-spec bolts. The wallet also comes with Wiivv blocking protect to secure your card information. Made with 6061 grade aluminum. The Dango has 10 multi-tool functions. It can be used as a saw, knife, paracord tensioner, 10/15 of a millimeter hex, smartphone stand, nail prier, ruler, etc. All the tools can be easily removed when traveling. Braun Series 7 799cc 6 wet and dry shaver system replaces 790cc Special Edition. This Braun shaver would be for that special guy, as this model is a little pricey. It is a deluxe model and can be used wet or dry, so he can shave in the shower for that extra close shave you get when using hot water. The Braun has a number of skin sensitivity settings with a pivoting head to reach every contour. Comes with a clean and charge station, full maintenance at the touch of a button for a shaver that's like new every day. If you like a clean-shaven man, then this shave will do the trick. Best Beer Chiller Stick, pack of 2, no ice no bucket, single bottle cooler, stainless steel. Okay, do we need to explain why this would be a hit with any man in your life? It's definitely up there with our most favorite on the gadgets for men list. The beer chiller stick will ensure he is always a few minutes away from a cold beer and his beer stays cold. The beer chiller stick will stay cold for hours, and keep your drink cold even on the hottest days. Comes in a pack of 2, so there is one for you to use as well. Microsoft Universal Foldable Keyboard for iPad, iPhone, Android devices, and Windows tablets. Typing on an iPad or smartphone screen is not the best. With spell check forever popping up, a short message is okay, but to type anything longer I find it to be frustrating and prefer to use a keyboard. The Microsoft Universal Foldable Keyboard gives you a keyboard wherever you go. Its compact foldable design with a case like a shell makes it easy to carry and durable, and easily fits into a purse, bag, or pocket. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone. The filming possibilities of the new drone technology can really make your vacation movies something special. The video quality is exceptional, and now with new smart controls, the new drones are much more user-friendly, a little more forgiving and easier for a novice to use. You don't have to worry about your drone flying away. It still is possible, but not as much. In fact, the DJI drones all have a homing button that works with GPS, and will come back to you when you use this function. The DJI also has auto tracking. This is when the drone will follow you automatically. Nest T3007S Learning Thermostat. If you already have Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, then a Nest Smart Thermostat would fit right in. The Nest Thermostat can learn your habits and start to save you money by automatically adjusting the temperature. Easy to operate and read and save energy with the Nest. No need to heat rooms when not on use. Learn your routine and heat and cool rooms when needed. Big readable display of the temperature, weather, time can be read across the room. The Nest comes in 4 colors: copper, stainless steel, black, and white. BOXLOCK, the world's first smart padlock to protect deliveries. This item on the list is good for someone who gets packages delivered often. Shopping online and home delivery is increasing every day. But often the delivery man comes when you are not home and has to leave the package on your front step. Not a big problem in the past, but we now have people, porch pirates, who drive around looking for packages to steal. The BOXLOCK is a smart lock that can be programmed with a barcode to let certain people gain access. BOXLOCK Home app will give you notifications as soon as the BOXLOCK has been used, as well as for locking and unlocking the padlock, tracking your packages, and sharing access to it with friends and family. Use the BOXLOCK with a delivery box for a secure setup. Prusa DIY 3D printer. 3D printer. Do we have to explain why a man would love to play around with a 3D printer? The Prusa requires some assemble, but you can be up and running in no time and is made with solid construction. Print with patented extruder technology for fast and accurate filament threading and easy nozzle replacement. The custom pulleys are perfectly matched to the aluminum structure of the 3D printer, making the movement smoother, quieter and faster. With custom 3D printed custom sandals. The process that Wiivv sandals are made is pretty high-tech. Wiivv 3D printed orthopedic sandals are a custom-made sandal that is created just for you. Wiivv custom sandals give support for plantar fasciitis, foot fatigue, flat feet, high arches, and can also help with knee or back pain. Order with the app and choose from a large color combination. You might want to order a pair as well, and in less than 2 weeks you have a pair of custom sandals at your door. iRobot Roomba 980 robot vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity. Has the man in your life not been participating in vacuum cleaner duties as much as you would like? Well, here is a great gift he will appreciate. The iRobot Roomba robot vacuum cleaner. Every guy likes the idea of a robot, and the idea of not having to vacuum is even better. The iRobot Roomba lets you clean, schedule, and customize cleaning preferences from your smartphone. iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization will clean an entire level. The iRobot will run for up to 120 minutes and then automatically go back to recharges, and after fully charged resumes cleaning to complete the whole job. Emergency survival kit for camping, hiking. Every guy has a little Boy Scout motto in him: be prepared. A good emergency survival kit is just the ticket. The CoZ Survival Kit emergency survival kit includes 1 tactical knife, 1 fire starter kit, 1 saber card, 1 saber card knife, 1 compass, 1 whistle, 1 flashlight, 3 modes, 1 tactical pen, 1 waterproof case, 1 emergency thermal blanket, and 1 wire saw, and a number of other items. Everything packs into a waterproof and shock-resistant carrying case. GoPro Hero 6. The new GoPro 6 is better than previous GoPros with better stabilization and picture quality. The GoPro 6 is waterproof and rugged and produces excellent HD video and has great battery life. Watching a few YouTube videos on operations will get you up to speed in no time. Your vacation and home movies will be kicked up a notch with the GoPro Hero 6. The small size and easy operations make it easy to capture great video moments. This bundle comes with a few accessories that will be useful when filming. Livescribe 2GB Echo Smartpen. For that busy guy in your life that takes a lot of notes and likes high-tech stuff, he is going to love the Livescribe 2GB Echo Smartpen. Livescribe records everything you write in here, so you'll never miss a word. It will replay your meetings or lectures simply by tapping on your notes. Saves notes and audio recordings to your computer. Search for words within your notes. Send notes and audio from your paper to destinations like Facebook, Evernote, and Microsoft OneNote. High-definition DVR Dashboard Camera. A high-definition dashcam can be a definite asset on today's roads. Dashcam footage can put an end to an insurance scammer and provide visual evidence in the case of insurance disputes or false accusations of an accident. The CrossDoor 1080p has a built-in G sensor. This dashcam can automatically detect a sudden shake/collision and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten. A great gift for someone that is everything. KettlePizza Basic Pizza Oven Kit for 18.5 and 22.5 inch kettle grills, KPB 22. Have him making homemade pizza with the KettlePizza Oven Kit. This kit transforms an 18.5 inches or 22.5 inches kettle grills into a pizza oven with the KettlePizza Pizza Oven Kit. Designed to keep heat stable because the lid does not need to be removed to access food. Made of 20 gauge, 304 grade stainless steel. Kit includes a stainless sleeve, handles, thermometer, and aluminum pan. Works with charcoal or hardwood. Pizza. JBL Xtreme 2 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Music can always add to a get-together. The new JBL Xtreme 2 is a great waterproof Bluetooth speaker that can be taken anywhere. Newly updated with better sound and full waterproof rating so this speaker can get wet with no worries. It has rugged build and best of all the sound quality is great. This speaker is great for anyone that likes music and it has 15 hours of battery life. AKG N60NC Travel Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones. Continuing with the music lover theme. I added the AKG N60NC wireless headphones because I have a pair that I have been enjoying for the last 6 months and believe any guy would love a pair of headphones, and the sound quality is awesome. If he does a lot of traveling, these headphones with its comfortable fit and noise cancellation capabilities, and with the added plug-in capabilities make the N60NC great for long flights. In fact, Lufthansa Airline provides its first-class passengers with the AKG N60NC headphones. Amazon Fire TV. If you have been thinking of cutting cable, the third generation Amazon Fire TV may be the answer. Portable design makes it easy to move anywhere, and if you have plans to integrate more smart home features in your house and have Amazon Prime, then yes, this unit will complement any Alexa system and also seamlessly integrate into a smart home. It has 4K with an improved 60 frames per second, adds support for HDR10 and Dolby Atmos, and also features voice command ability. Coros Omni Smart Bike Helmet. A good helmet is always a good idea when you're cycling. The Coros Smart Bike Helmet is built with EPS impact foam with a polycarbonate shell for excellent protection. The special part with these helmets is it has bone-conducting Bluetooth audio with the ability to listen to music or communicate through your smartphone, and unlike traditional headphones allows you to hear your surroundings. Extra lights on the helmet provide for better visibility at night. Netatmo Smart Weather Station. Here is another smart device that will help you track the weather. Netatmo Smart Weather Station is a smart device that collects all information related to weather conditions and makes the information available to you by relaying it to your smartphone or computer as notifications. Great hobby, and the Netatmo Smart Weather Station gives you the ability to track weather in your backyard for a more accurate prediction. Virtual Reality Goggles. If your guy is a gamer, he is going to love a pair of virtual reality goggles. Kick it up a notch with the 3D VR glasses. Give you a 3D virtual reality VR headset with built-in retractable earbuds, immersion 360 degrees. Large visual, ideal heat dissipating design, video play and pause, touch screen / action button shooting games, volume control button, adjustable pupil distance, and focal distance. This thing will blow his mind, and you can try it too. Hamilton Beach 25490C Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. What guy doesn't like a good sandwich? And what better way to save money than to make more of your food at home? If you want to explore healthy breakfast alternatives and eat less processed food, the Breakfast Sandwich Maker can help. No need for a toaster or different pans with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. A hot sandwich can be made in about 5 minutes with only one device. Well, there we have it. Our unique, cool list of the best gadgets for men. We hope you appreciate that we have tried to think outside the box here, rather than listing the usual products. Do let us know of this list in the comments below. Do you own any of these products? What has your experience been? Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.